Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to find deleted friends on Snapchat. First of all, you can open the Snapchat application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply tap on the person's or plus icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it. And if you remember the person's username that you want to delete on Snapchat, you can just simply now tap on search, and here you can write the username to add the deleted friend. And if you cannot remember the username, you can just simply go to the Snapchat bar at the bottom left corner of the screen, tap on it, and here you will just simply find the existed chat. If you can find the existed chat, you can just simply add here, and if the other person is blocked, you cannot see the option to add them back. And this is the way you can find deleted friends on Snapchat. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.